Okay, so in this video we want to demonstrate a couple of things. Today while working with patients, it came to my mind, why don't we show something that has to do with forearm movements. Outside of flexion and extension, the wrist and the elbow help do two movements. We would think to call them external rotation and internal rotation, but we have a fancy name for them called supination and pronation. I brought out with a bowl with me to kind of talk about the basic, simple way to remember. If we keep a bowl of soup in the bowl, it's called supination. If we pour it out, that is pronation. Supination, pronation. There are even muscles that are named after these. Supinator and pronator teres is one of them. There's a couple others in there. But both of those help to orient the palm. Is it face up or is it face down? And if we're standing and just arms far side, is it palm forward, supination, or palm behind, pronation? When we look at this as a rehab, we've got our green Theraband, the CLX Theraband, that we're going to have attached to a post. I'm going to wrap it around a thumb, wrap it around the back side of my palm, and it's going to be on the outside wall. This is going to help induce supination. It's going to pull. So it's a very assisted supination exercise. Okay? When we want to make it more challenging, flip her over, go in front of the palm, behind the arm. Now palm is facing down. Now we're fighting for supination with resistance. If we want to work on the pronation, now I've got the band over there. It is behind my palm, coming across the top of my palm. I'm going to work pronation without moving too far. That's nice, right? So kind of two simple ways of adding in a resistive exercise that the load changes a little bit with the resistive band. Nothing wrong with that. But again, we want to always think, okay, supination goes palm up, pronation goes pour the soup out. Okay, I've got with me a Indian club. It is a weighted wood club. Now we can work on both of these pretty simply by just supination. Again, this is going to be assistive because the weight is over on that side. We're assisting supination by going out, or we'll make this a little more challenging and go supination with the weight on this side. Now it makes it just a little more challenging. Nice kind of simple way to switch that up from a resistance that changes load with the resistance band, or resistance from the club or a weight itself. Perfect. We want to work on pronation. Again, assisted pronation with that bell going across my body that way, or back to how it was, pronation here. So I hope you enjoy this. It's kind of a brief one. Again, think soup bowl goes up, keeps the soup in, supinate. We pour it out, pronate, pronate. Perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Bird. If you have any questions, please leave them a comment. More than happy to help out, and we hope you enjoy these. Thank you.